In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a referral code on your Wise account. We'll go through each step carefully, so by the end, you'll know exactly what to do to ensure your friend earns a reward from your registration. So, let's dive right in. First, in order to make use of the referral code, you'll need to have an active Wise account. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and open a Wise account. The setup process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts, providing the necessary details as you go. Once your account is all set up, the next step is to log in. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Wise account. Here, you will be able to see your current balance as well as a list of any transactions you might have. It's important to familiarize yourself with this interface as it is the main hub for managing your account. Next, look for your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu with various options related to your account settings and personal preferences. Under this menu, navigate to the section labeled Actions and Rewards. Once there, you will come across the Referral and Rewards option. Click on it, and now you're in exactly the right place to enter your referral link. You'll see a prompt that asks you to enter the referral link. This link is something your friend should have sent you when you initially registered for Wise. If it's not with you right now, reach out to them to ensure you have the right and complete link. Now, take the referral link that your friend provided you and paste it into the designated field. Be sure to double-check that no spaces or extra characters are included, as these can sometimes cause errors or prevent the link from processing correctly. Once you've got it right, simply click the Submit button. By doing this, you not only finalize the application of that referral code to your account, but also ensure that your friend will receive the reward for your use of their link. It's a nice way to share benefits and support each other, especially when using platforms like Wise that rely on community growth. And there you have it. You've successfully entered a referral code for your Wise account. Your friend will now earn a well-deserved reward thanks to you. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to look for additional resources or reach out to Wise customer support for help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you through the process smoothly. Be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Enjoy using Wise.